Hi, I know I've been away from the channel for a little bit, so I wanted to take a moment and just explain why. My mother has had some serious medical complications. So I've traveled to the US. I'm in her home now. I'm here to really arrange for her care, look after her well being, make sure she has everything that she needs, as you should. And I think the thing that has become clear to me during my absence and focusing on my mom is the importance of food to family, memory, and what's really the thing that nourishes us, that love with our friends, family, and everyone closest to us. So I will be continuing Gary's Urban Larder. Don't worry, I'll be back to cooking probably next week. We'll see how it goes. Kitchen's a little different here, so I've got to set up things so that it works for me, and filming will be a bit different. So let me know what you think. Also, I'll be documenting my mom's journey, bringing her from rehab now back home to her home safely. And that's a new channel called Bringing Marilyn Home. So that's just all I wanted to let you know. I'm doing well. My mom is improving every day. And for those of you who have reached out to me and know what's going on, I really just want to thank you for your ongoing support, words of encouragement, prayers, good thoughts, everything. I appreciate it, and so does Marilyn. Also, while I've been away the last 6 weeks, I have new subscribers, and I just think that's great, and I want to thank you if you're a new subscriber, and also thank all my returning subscribers. And I look forward to sharing a lot more delicious recipes with you and sharing the other journey with my mom if you're interested. Somewhere you'll find a link to that. But what's really important right now is to let you know, Gary's Urban Larder will be continuing. We'll be doing it from the States for the foreseeable future. So thank you very much. And remember, if this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And check out all of our delicious recipes. There's quite a few, and I'll be adding more. So until next time, bye-bye.